Hey everyone, this is a process video of the last month in my reading journal. It's December and I only read 2 books this month. It was holidays, so it was a little bit crazy. So that's all I could do. I'm using the Studio Calico December kit. This is a documenter kit, and I'm gonna have all the items or all the ones that I can find linked below. Some of their affiliate links, you don't have to use them, but they do help a lot. And I just love this kit. And I read one book that was holiday related, which is Love Like Farms, and the other one was 5 Survive, which is from the writer of A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. It's a mystery thriller, and not very holiday-ish, not at all, but I wanted to use those colors, and I remembered that this kit had a little bit of black and some green and red, so I thought that it would be perfect for documenting this month, even though these cards are very thick and it's kind of hard to put them down and mix the album or this mini book. This mini book is 4x6. It's super chunky. It's done, and I'm gonna be sharing the last pieces of it next week. And I just have the stats left to share, best, worst, and a few stuff like that. I did love the card with the word search, so I thought that it would be perfect to add the month. I do love title cards. That's what I do when I do Project Life, so that sort of translates to my style of reading journal. I've seen a lot of reading journals. I love them all, but somehow this is what works for me. And I'm also trying to use pieces of this kit, the stickers and die cuts and stuff like that. And I already had the book covers and my journaling, which I keep on my phone in the Notes app, and then I just put all of that in a Word document, and I printed in presentation paper, not the premium one. That way it's a little bit thinner, but even though I use so many embellishments and stickers that it ended up being a little bulky. So Love Life Farms is basically if Hallmark wrote a book, it would be this, and I don't mean it in a bad way. It was pretty enjoyable and it was sweet. It was, of course, kind of corny. I'm not really into romance books or Hallmark movies, but I wanted something easy to read. I was very stressed, so I wanted something that didn't require much of my energy. Now 5 Survive, it's a well-written thriller. It was kind of annoying at some points, but I did enjoy it, and I needed the opposite of that. So I really liked the book. It was the typical friends to lovers trope. I'm not the biggest fan of tropes, so, and maybe I was in the mood. That's the thing too. Sometimes romance is not my genre. You have to mix it up with something else. So maybe the fact that it's holiday related and I was looking for a holiday story that I could get into, maybe that helped. And I'm gonna keep the left side very simple because I love the design of the card and I didn't want to cover it. I am going to use some die cuts from Citrus Twist kits to mat the book covers and the journaling. And that's a good thing about using digital items. I really love the little cards that I use for matting the photos and adding the journaling. And if this was something that came in a kit and I couldn't replicate, I probably wouldn't use it for that because I really, really like them. But now that I have this file, I can make as many die cuts of this as I want. One thing that I wanted to do this year until I finish my December daily 2022 is not print anything else at all holiday related. I'm gonna use what I have. I have a full cart, and I'm pretty sure that I can use every item there and I don't need to print anything else. Let's see how that goes. This little Fiskars guillotine trimmer, well, however you want to call it, I got it at Joann's. It's one of my favorite finds from last year. I do lots of small projects, you know, and project life, so I don't typically cut, you know, letter size papers or 12 by 12. So this is the perfect guillotine for me. You can use a coupon. Joann's always has a coupon. Full price is my personal F word. So I always try to use a coupon. And you can use a coupon with the Fiskars. Oh, they also have a bunch of sales for tools and punches and stuff like that. I have a lot of holiday washi in my Weird Memory Keepers washi dispenser. Not this one. This one is also from Weird Memory Keepers, but this one is very, very old and you're not gonna find it anywhere else. I love to use it though. I use it all the time. So I have my big dispenser and I have this little one for extra projects, but I'm pretty sure that when I start working on my December daily, I'm gonna break out my big washi dispenser. These book review stickers are from Everyday Explorers. They are digital stamps, and I turn that into a sticker sheet using my Silhouette Cameo and the Silhouette app, the software in Photoshop. And to color the squares, I use a Papermate scented marker. And I just added a little bit of washi here and there. I didn't want to cover the stuck indoors and loving it sentiment. I am indoorsy. I'm not the biggest fan of hiking or the sun or fresh air. Like, we've been perfecting houses for a long time, and I'm pretty sure so I can't stay inside. If you want to go out, cool. But I only go out if I have to. And these little book stickers are from Pipsticks. I'm not sure if they are available anymore, but I love that. They're one of my favorites. These are other stickers that I made with my Silhouette Cameo, and these ones are from Syncopation Design, and they have like the book genres, which I love using this. And I also have this sticker sheet, but these are a little bit smaller, so they are easier to use. And I don't mind using both, actually. And I wanted to layer that little girl reading with something else, so I just use a label, also from Citrus Twist Kits. I have so many other things. I'm trying to not print and cut as much lately because it is it's quite time consuming, and then I use a lot of ink, and you know, so when I sit down and do it, I make sure that I print and cut all the items that I need. These little hearts and stars I made with some Lawn Fawn dies and my Big Shot. That paper, I believe, is from Michael's. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain. It's so soothing though. But I absolutely love these little stars. It's a lot cheaper than buying stickers and finding those. I also love this Quick Pick. It's one of my favorite tools. And here is the whole layout the last month. I loved how it turned out. It was so cute. Those cards are perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.